guys are quiet. What's going on? This is the most silent I've heard all y'all.
Because we can't see it. So we're like trying to.
What do you mean? Like, look over the damn sign.
We cannot see it. We can't see them.
Right there.
Like,
Okay, yeah, but Emily can't see it. Melissa can't see it.
Emily, can you see shit?
Alright, I'm getting out. Like, if you guys, if we leave, I can jump back in the car, but.
Grabs her ass while she goes out the door.
Thank you, Mason.
I love her.
I'm like watching it right now. There's nothing I'm doing wrong. I'm not a bitch.
Can you see?
Alright, you guys come out of the car, you can still see it. You guys can see it now?
Yeah, I mean, we're stuck here anyway.
Alright, let me know when you're moving. I'll hop back in, okay? Alright.
I mean, I know, this is a tough spot. I thought it was going to be a position where, like, you literally had to go first. We're, like, stuck here.
You guys are fucking Polish.
Okay, thanks.
That's awesome. That's not fucking awesome. Mason, get back in the car. Get this. We lost.
Hey, easy. Stop that. He goes, you guys are Polish. They go, that's awesome.
Lucky they weren't like people.
Well, here's the thing, guys. I hate to break it to you, but most of these kids are high school.
Yeah, pretty much.
So please don't try to pick a fight with 16-year-olds.
That's cool.
Mason's trying to be close.
Yeah, but I would advise against that because the only thing after that is bad because
You go to jail.
if you hit a 16-year-old, then you go to jail. Period. See, the voice of reason. I told you. I'm a joke.
And none of us had time.
Ain't nobody got time, man.
Ain't nobody got time.
The only thing I try to do, that little blonde in the back, I just try to keep her attained. As long as I keep her attained, I'm good.
It's really only
Actually,
this crowded here because Swansburg canceled theirs because of the hurricane. That's why it's so crowded here. Because normally you can just get
The other
around.
town crowded or canceled their show because of the hurricane, I guess. So now it's like really busy here. But you know what? Whatever. You're having a good time with us. You're seeing the fireworks.
Yeah, you're technically getting paid to watch fireworks. That's good. Well, I don't get paid hourly, so not really.
Whatever.
But hey, whatever. I get paid minutely.
No, but at the end of the day,
You
we'll
get
make sure
paid by
to
the
take care of it.
minute.
That was if we were gonna stop and like she
we're
had
running her
access.
video.
There's a lot of high school kids there, huh?
Yeah.
Teeny bopper.
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Baby, whatever you do, try not to have to pee. Yeah, I mean, you know, they have to look and see that you're like a damn sardine.
He still works.
Hey, baby.
Well, he worked all week.
Do you want to come up here? Come up here. I'll trade you. Come here. But come up here. See some fireworks. Come here. I'll get up. No, they're gonna come back.
No, they're not. We'll pick them up tomorrow.
Here I am. Come here. Come here. We can drive off.
There'll be a grand finale.
I thought the finale was when we showed up.
That was the mid finale.
Finale?
Yeah.
They do those nowadays? So
Yeah.
The experience you get cheaper. They got 2 finales. Everyone's got trophies.
sign that the finale's coming.
Yeah.
Start picking up the rate.
I haven't seen Emerald Isle's show in a long time, so I don't know how good their finale is.
Maybe they can buy all the fireworks from Swansboro too.
No, Swansboro's saving theirs for the Mullet Festival.
The what festival?
Mullet Festival in October.
Huh. Does everyone come with a mullet?
A lot of people do, actually.
Might have to stop by.
Alright, it's probably about to start the finale now.
Great. Yeah, that's what they're going.
You are not getting through there, Chevy.
There was no finale. That was just it.
There's a finale.
Here we go.
I'm gonna say there's always a finale.
Gotta be. 30 minutes is pretty good long length for a fireworks.
Yeah, it is.
It's a lot.
I mean, hey, we could have been these people. They're gonna be pretty cool. Hey, Joe.
Hi.
I knew you were in Emerald Isle by your status.
Which one? People, these people?
Yes.
Actually, it was that Kate Carter at McDonald's. Some
Oh.
girl had her.
I was up here earlier. I was disturbed.
You ain't seen nothing. The whole restaurant was laughing. We were all like choking on our food.
No, they weren't laughing. It was poor Manson. He lost his appetite.
I mean, if she was small, it had been one thing, but she had these. I mean, they were up here, like, and you could see all the dimples.
Saw someone in a bathing suit like that up here earlier.
You have to hold my hand, Jack.
That was kind of gross. Be careful tonight.
I will.
Bye, Alana.
Bye. Okay, seriously? That cannot be it.
Yeah, that's anticlimactic for sure. Maybe like a mid finale where they just like slowly petered off. Yeah.
I'll hit stop and then it's gonna start. I'm sure.